Hello everybody and welcome to Memphis, Tennessee on this May the 11th. Everything is looking nice and green and it's early spring, and this is the time to change out the stupid I don't know about stupid, but the lawnmower blade on my Echo LM 2119 SP. Anyway, here we go. So here is the Echo Blades, and I got them from Home Depot where I got the mower. They didn't have these in stock, but I got these delivered and it was free of charge like the next day too. So I don't know how that works. They don't have them in the store, but you could get them delivered by a delivery person the next day from Home Depot. From the store that they say they didn't have none. I don't know. Anyway, they are a dual blade and they are attached, as you can see. So let's look real quick. So we're gonna flip it up, and I guess, like they always say, the first thing is to unplug the spark plug, and it's right in here. I have to do this. Hey. That sucker is hard to get to. I might need two hands, or a better hand. There, got it. Anyway, we got it. Now, let's get about the Echo. It has this handle. I can flip it up. And I wanted to show you these blades. This is the one I did a video the other day, and it had a hole in it somewhere. Oh, that's the hole. There's some grass growing in it. Anyway, there it is. Like I said, this is they're attached right here. So when I have sharpened it, oh, it's got two holes in it. That's crazy. Anyway, it is time to replace them. Guess there's several ways to do it, but I like the old impact driver. And it is a 17 millimeter, it looks to be, and wrong way. And it's just quick and easy. So we'll take her off. She looks like this. Has those two little pins. And right here, there's a little groove, and that's where the bolt goes. And bam. Take it off. Look in there. Everything looks good. Let me get the other blades ready. Take a look at. Ooh, they were pretty nasty. Look at that. That's a pretty big hole. That's not supposed to be there. Oh my gosh. I think we're due. Anyway, it's been early spring, so I've just been mulching and trying to make them last until now, when I can do a finer cut for everybody. Since the grass is starting to turn green. Let me get these ready. Alright, as you can see, they look a lot better. We've got the blades facing up. The only trick here is to line this up with that. Those two holes. Put the flat washer on and get them hand tight. Man, can't wait to use it. I've been needing them for a while. Anyway, that's all they are. They're very simple. They did do a good job. Make sure I turn my driver the right way. And we'll tighten them up. 1, 2, 3. And I went the wrong way. That's it. If you don't have a driver, just put a piece of block somewhere, hold them up, and then use a ratchet. Might have to use a breaker bar. Anyway, it's pretty easy. Driver does make it a lot easier. One for good measure. Anyway, there we go. Can't wait to be the first one to use it. See what it does. All right, my yard is always the test yard on stuff. Anyway, it looks like it cut it nice and even. Still early spring, so it's still growing and getting green. It really doesn't start until like May 15th when temperatures start getting in the 80s. But anyway, there we go. Bye.